Hello everyone, welcome to this DCET revision class on IT skills video. In previous videos, we have covered different IT skill units. That is, first three unit videos have been covered. In today's this video, we will be discussing the MCQs related to the fourth unit, which is Introduction to Cloud and Internet of Things. So the first question is what does IaaS stand for? So this question is related to the uh, cloud uh, service models, that there are different kinds of service models such as IaaS, PaaS or SaaS, and the one which I here asked is regarding the infrastructure as a service, where the cloud service providers will be providing the infrastructure to the consumer in terms of virtual machine, in terms of hardware, in terms of memory to use them and to have the a good kind of infrastructure cloud service. That kind of cloud service is called as the infrastructure as a service. So the correct answer is option B. The different other options are to just to confuse you regarding the answer. Which cloud service model provides a complete development and deployment environment in the cloud? So here the question is regarding the complete development and deployment. You need to focus on these keywords, that is development as well as a deployment. So remember, whenever such questions have been asked regarding development as well as deployment, it is always a platform as a service. The option B. So remember these keywords, development and deployment, because software as a service will be providing uh, the softwares which are ready to use, whereas the infrastructure as a service will be providing the infrastructure and virtual machines. The development and deployment is related to platform as a service, such as Heroku or any kind of Google Colab. These are the examples of platform as a service. Which of the following is an example of software as a service? So software as a service are nothing but the applications which are ready to use, the softwares which are ready to use. You need to look for the correct options in these four, which is very ready to use. The correct option is Google Docs. We need not to develop or deploy anything over it. It is just we need to log into the Google Docs and we will be using it as per our requirement. So that is the example of software as a service. The correct option is Google Docs. Next question. Which cloud deployment type offers service exclusively to a single organization? Remember, whenever a single organization wants to have their cloud services, they will be creating their own uh, cloud system. So such cloud systems are called as the private cloud. Correct option is option B, private cloud. The public cloud will be for having the contents which can be accessed by the all the public, whereas hybrid is a combination of public as well as a private, and community is used for a specific community of people, a specific community of organization, whereas to a single organization or a single company wants to have any cloud service, they will be using the private cloud. Next question. Google Drive is primarily used for. We all know the Google Drive we used to upload files to take out any files which we want to use to or whatever synchronization. For all those purposes, we will be using the Google Drive. So the options are web application development, file storage and synchronization, smart home automation, data analysis and visualization. For web development, Google Drive is not necessary. For smart home automation, it is not related to Google Drive. Data analysis and visualization is done with the help of Google Colab, not Drive. So the correct option is file storage and synchronization, which actually done with the help of Google Drive. So correct option is option B. What type of services is Google App Engine? So we all know the Google App Engine. We can host or we can deploy any of our sites. We can develop some sites. So it provides a kind of a platform where we can develop and deploy. So as I told in previous questions, whenever it comes to develop and deploy, it is always related to the platform as a service. Here, there is no need of infrastructure for a Google App Engine. So it's not an infrastructure as a service. This is not a ready to use software. So it is not a software as a service. So it comes under the category of platform as a service, which is nothing but a PaaS. So the correct option is option B. What does IoT stands for? You people might be knowing the Unit 4 of IT skills of DCET syllabus is also covering the IoT syllabus. The IoT contains the IoT deals with the sensors, the embedded systems, Arduino, such. So in general, the IoT stands for Internet of Things. Internet of Things, and it related to internet as well as the aspects which are related to the embedded hardware as well as software. So that's why it is called as Internet of Things. So the correct option is option A. Don't get confused with technology, telecommunication, or techniques which are there in other options. Which of the following is the example of a IoT application in smart farming? So whenever we uh, have this kind of application-based question, because these kinds of application-based questions are more in Unit 4, that is for sure. This Unit 4 is known for application-based question in DCET. So just look at the correct option. Look at the keyword here, smart farming. So the smart farming is a keyword. So look for the option which is related to the farming. That's it. That is the only one thing that you need to do. Automated irrigation system, yes, it is related to farming. So it is the correct option. Social media, no, it is not related to farming. Online banking, not related to farming. Video streaming, not related to farming. Although these are somehow related to IoT or cloud, but they are not related to the smart farm. So that's where the correct option is automated irrigation system. Option A. What aspect of a smart city does IoT contribute to? Again, same kind of application-based question. Whenever you have a such application-based question, the only thing that you need to look for is the keyword. Look for the keyword which matches with the smart city. That is traffic management, personal finance, entertainment, social network. The smart city related to the solving problems of the traffic management, and IoT can contribute to this using various techniques or various aspects. So that's why the correct option is traffic management, option A.